Hey guys, so from in the YouTube thumbnail dimension. Right, then I'm gonna click on apply. Then I'll look for YouTube logo sticker. I have a whole lot of options right here, so I'll just go ahead to check the one that I like. I think I'll go for this one. I like using this in most of my videos. I don't know why, it just feels really nice for me. Yeah, I think that's okay. So the apps that we're going to be using to edit this are Phonto. So we're going to look for Phonto PNG, Phonto logo. Yeah. So they're going to give this to us. Yeah, that's right here. I'm going to size it a little bit. Take it down here. Then we search for PicsArt. These are basically the apps that we use. So PicsArt logo. So that's what I'm just using. Oh wait, where's the other side of it? PicsArt logo. Alright. So which other one? I think I'll go for this one instead. Right there. So we're gonna size it to anyhow we want it to be. That's okay. Basically just playing around the settings. I just want it to appear the way I want it to. I think this is fine. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead to click on apply, we'll go ahead to save it. I'm not using the paid versions of PicsArt, so those ads keep coming up, but it's fine. So next thing is I'm gonna go on to Phonto. This is where all the magic happens. Then we're gonna click on photo albums. Then we're gonna click on that photo we just got from PicsArt, and click on text. What text do we even want to use? How to what? Let's check out how the other one was. How to make custom thumbnail. Right? How to make. Let's use a cover rating. Right? Then we'll just go on to fonts. You use any fonts of your choice. I actually do like this one. No, I actually do like this one. Then we go on to style, and just basically style it the way we want it to be. And this, let's check it black. Then increase the width to like, I like increasing my width to 20. I don't know why. Then style it, get any of this. This is good. Alright. We're gonna size this a little bit up, so it's gonna be more detailed. Let me check out how the other one was. Oh, okay. I think the problem is when we have the style, when we have the width right here, yeah, because it's not making it look more detailed. Let's take it down to 12. Yeah, 12 is perfect. How to create custom thumbnail, right? Okay, how to make custom thumbnail. So let's look at what we're gonna have here. We're just basically looking for I'm gonna go into my font, okay? These are the fonts that I downloaded personally. Okay, let me check the one I even used. I don't know exactly the one that I used, but we just keep playing around. Anyone that looks good, we're gonna use that one. So I think that's okay. Then we're gonna go to styling. Style it to stroke it with red. Stroking it with red because you know it's YouTube and YouTube has this red stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead to do background. We'll click on alpha. Balance one. Right. I think this is okay. I'm gonna size this. Size it. I think. Let's check this out again. Background. Put this thing. No, put this down to 30. Okay. This is okay. I mean, this is kind of like detailed enough. Custom thumbnail there is like the keyword, so that's why I'm making it look so detailed, so that anyone that sees it is just gonna click on it without asking much questions. And then the next thing you're gonna do is come somewhere on your mobile phone. On your mobile phone. Yeah? And then the font you're gonna be using there, I should use I want to use the fonts that I used. I want to use the fonts that I use here. So let's check out the name. One of the fonts is Chico Regular. So that's what we're gonna use. Yeah. Chico Regular, right? This one. And go ahead to style it. I'll just throw this guy. And go ahead to increase the width down to 12. And then we'll just start, yeah, right there. On your mobile phone. I'm gonna go ahead to increase the size. Why do I feel this one is more detailed than the other one? Then I feel like it's a bit too boring. Like the other side of it is too boring. So I'm gonna go ahead to go to PicsArt, so I'll be able to like make it. Okay, this looks good. So save this. Save image as PNG. And then we're gonna go ahead to PicsArt and click on the picture we just got. Then stickers. Let's just look for any YouTube stickers. YouTube logo. Okay, I remember it's like I used this one. Which one, yeah, where I used my name on it. Right. Press it right here. And then I clicked, type my name, my channel name. It's a kind of canon. Then I'm just gonna look for fonts to fit in. Right, I always like this particular font. So we're gonna change the white cannot go, so we're gonna change the color to like black. Okay, I think we're gonna increase the size of that a bit, so it's gonna fit in fine. Okay, that was too much. Try it again. Right, that was okay, and this looks really nice. So our thumbnail is ready. Right, so we're gonna go on to photos and check. And this is how the other one looks like. So let's check how the new one looks like. So we're gonna compare both of them. So this is the old one and this is the new one. I feel like this one is more detailed than this one. But anyways, let me just know what your comments are down in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.